Baoding, a time-honored cultural city nestling on the fertile North China Plain, boasts an enduring literary legacy and profound historical heritage spanning thousands of years. Today, nourished by profound cultural traditions, this ancient land is bursting with robust momentum in modern industries. Sculptures crafted here are reaching markets around the world, and bags made here are exported to more than 200 countries and regions. What has enabled these industries to thrive here? With this question in mind, journalists from countries like Russia, Egypt, and Kazakhstan visited Baoding, seeking answers through the stories of its industrial development.
My name is Ekaterina. I'm from Russia and I represent the local TV of the Far East region.
Hello, my name is Hamid Abdushi and I'm from Kingdom of Bahrain.
My name is Abu Hayat Jafarova.
My name is Aman Yaliataev.
My name is Mohammed.
In Quyang, for more than 2,000 years, people have lived and worked alongside stone, known as the hometown of Chinese sculpture and the largest sculpture production base in northern China. Quyang has developed a complete industrial ecosystem integrating design, production, exhibition, and sales. Its sculptures can be found across China and in markets around the world. From traditional craftsmanship to modern industry, sculpture not only preserves cultural heritage, but also serves as an important bridge connecting Quyang with the world.
My name is Abu Hayat Jafarova. I'm a journalist from Azerbaijan. So it's my first visit to China. And of course we visited a lot of places, a lot of regions, and the fact that impressed me today, the fact that we are visiting now I would say, the craftsman place, where the sculptures are made. We of course witnessed some Chinese-style ancient sculptures. The fact that China preserves this craftsmanship is really good and it's really impressive.
目前全县共有雕刻企业2300多家，产品覆盖玉雕、铜雕、石雕等10个品类，3500余个品种，产品远销100多个国家和地区。
In Baoding, sculpture is not the only industry reaching global markets. Not far from Quyang lies Baigou, which has grown from a traditional marketplace into one of China's major luggage and bag manufacturing hubs. After more than 4 decades of development, it has built a complete industrial chain covering research and development, design, manufacturing, marketing, and logistics. Through this network, a simple bag can find its way to consumers across the globe.
A really good price here in China. So I've been to a lot of markets, a lot of places, and I've tested the products, and I like the Chinese products. I think they're really good products because they're good price and they're really well maintained, they're really good qualities.
Меня удивило то, что в производстве сумок в Китае используют AI, искусственный интеллект. Я впервые такое вижу, потому что в производстве у вас есть очень разные модели. Несколько, я подумала, как можно догадаться, что людям удобно, чтобы там была подставка для телефона, подставка для воды, какая фантазия должна быть у человека, а вы, оказывается, здесь используете искусственный интеллект. Я думаю, может, и у нас в Казахстане можно тоже использовать там в производстве искусственный интеллект, чтобы придумать такой дизайн интересный, чтобы было удобно людям это все использовать.
For many international visitors, the most intriguing thing is not the bags themselves, but the development model behind this industrial town. How a county-level industrial cluster continues to compete in the global marketplace and export its products around the world.
从我们原材料的加工、生产、设计到成品的设计、研发，以及销售渠道，到我们的海外的一个布局，白沟箱包是一个非常完整的产业链条。
From traditional cultural industries to modern manufacturing, Baoding's industrial landscape continues to expand. Against the backdrop of the global green and low-carbon transition, Baoding is actively advancing the development of the green building industry and exploring more energy-efficient and environmentally friendly growth models.
I'm expressed of this such a new technology buildings, and also I very expressed about how China is growing very fast, and I think in the future we can do the collaboration because Turkmenistan is also growing very fast. We are also built a lot of new buildings, and such buildings, such projects, I think it's a very good opportunity to us, to our country, to collaborate and to do something together.
Moving beyond single technological innovation toward industrial-scale development, Baoding is focusing on energy-saving materials, window and door systems, architectural design, and technological research and development, creating new strengths in the green building sector.
在国际上呢，我们现在有美国，就是加拿大、奥地利以及蒙古和俄罗斯等数十个国家和地区都有我们重点的项目。这些重点的项目和落地的实践的项目呢，我们就有了海量的数据和我们自己的一个科研的积累。所以说，我们在这些海量的数据和积累之上，我们就把我们的建筑不同一直在迭代和研发，来适合中国和国际上不同的气候区、不同生活人群的各类的设计建筑。
From Quyang sculptures to Baigou's bags, from new energy to green buildings, Baoding's characteristic industries have followed different paths of development. Yet together, they tell the story of an inland city opening up to the world. The evolution of these industries reflects Baoding's journey toward high-quality development. Through Baoding, we see the vitality of China's county-level economy, the resilience of Chinese manufacturing, and China's commitment to sharing development opportunities with the world through greater openness.